This dance is called Tippin It Up. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, high beginner level line dance with 4 tags. Starting on the right foot, we're going into a rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Shuffle forward on the right, right close right. Then you're going to step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. Now set of steps once more, then rocking chair on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot. You're going to add on another rocking chair, left foot leading this time. So you rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Shuffle forward on the left, left close left. And then you're going to step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. Now set of steps once more, then rocking chair on that left. 7, 8, rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot. Let's add that to the top. Rocking chair on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot. So you're now going into some modified vaudeville steps. So there are some holds in these steps. So you're going to cross that right over the left, hold, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on the diagonal, hold. Bring the right back beside the left and you repeat it with the left foot. Crossing the left over the right, hold, step the right to the side, touch that left heel forward on the diagonal, hold, bring the left back beside the right. So that set of steps once more then. Do it slowly once more for you. Off on that right. 7, 8. Cross, hold, side, heel, hold, and cross, hold, side, heel, hold, and. Okay. Once more, just a little bit faster. Off on that right. 7, 8. Cross, hold, and heel, hold, and cross, hold, and heel, hold, and. Let's add that to the top. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot. Rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross, hold and heel, hold and cross, hold and heel, hold and. Cross rock right over left, recover your weight on the left, step the right to the side. Cross rock left over right, recover your weight on that right, step the left to the side, then walk forward 2 steps, right, left. That set of steps once more, then cross rock on the right. 7, 8, cross rock side, side, walk, walk. End of dance when we get to that part. Let's put it all together. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot. Rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross, hold and heel, hold and cross, hold and heel, hold and cross, rock, side, walk, walk. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot. Rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, rock, side, walk, walk, rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, rock, side, walk, walk, rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, rock, side, walk, walk. So hopefully you managed to follow that. Now there are 4 tags in this dance. Do not be put off by the fact that there are 4 of them. They are all the same. They're nice and easy. Your tag consists of a rocking chair and some stomps. So you lead with the right foot, rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. You're then going to stomp forward on the right and stomp the left beside the right. That is your tag. Single count timing throughout. They come at the ends of walls 1, 4, 7 and 10. So you will actually be facing a completely different wall every time you do the tag. So let's just have a go at wall 1. All the way through wall 1, add on the tag and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Here we go, rocking chair on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, rock, side, walk, walk, tag, rocking chair, stomp, stomp, rocking chair, restart stance, right shuffle, step, pivot. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. So ends of walls 1, 4, 7 and 10. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough and your tag information. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair, right shuffle, step, hip, rocking chair, tag wall, left shuffle, step, baby cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, rock, side, walk, walk, tag, rocking chair, stomp, stomp, rocking chair, right shuffle, step, baby, rocking chair, left shuffle, step, baby cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, rock, side, walk, walk, rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, rock, side, walk, walk, rocking chair, right shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, next tag wall, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, rock, side, walk, walk, tag, rocking chair, stomp, stomp, rocking chair, rocking chair, shoulder bells, cross, rock, rocking chair, shoulder bells, cross, rock, rocking chair, your next restart wall, rocking chair, shoulder bells, cross rock, tag, rocking chair, stomp, stomp, rocking chair, rocking chair, shoulder bells, cross rock, Hope you managed that one.